But I have a love and a passion for something I call somatic stress release,
Hmm.
which is a modality that I teach, which is bringing in a lot of the components around, specifically around stress, that were left out: the body work, the therapeutic lens, the movement work, the body, I just said body work, the nutrition work, all of that. So that was my love project of bringing a lot of these modalities back, or a lot of these lenses back into one modality. It took me a long time to learn this, and I would imagine most practitioners like yourself, after a certain amount of years, you go, oh, it's not about the modality or their techniques. It's what meets this person in this given moment with these given circumstances that could support this process of healing. And so I love so many modalities, and I don't practice just one because they each have informed um, me in a way of working with people, or teaching, that I think is more about this sort of, I don't know if you've ever done like improv, dance improv, or acting improv, where it's like, it's, I have such a joy with that. And it's the ability to really be in the moment, and navigate with what's here, as opposed to relying on a script.
Right.
And so often the techniques can kind of be a script, as that give you the confidence to on the stage, but they should give us the confidence to then be able to improvise within that,
Right.
with that person. Yeah.
This is Lynn Fraser with the Radical Recovery Summit, airing January 13th to 22nd, 2023. Please go to radicalrecoverysummit.com to view the clips and the interviews.